We got the brand new, guys, 2022 M240. Came through, got a trademark Muffy D, a Muffler Delete. Let's check it out. All the way back, this is where we did the work. Chopped off that rear muffler, straight down the floor. See that? Took off the tips. Guys, ran the piping, hit them with the M Performance carbon fiber tips. Those look so hard. This is like one of the first in South Florida. Such a sick car. This thing's gonna be super loud. Also, one thing, the valve, guys, we just zip time. That's a very common question. All we do is zip time right there. It shouldn't throw a check engine light. We're gonna cut that, obviously, make it a little bit more clean. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Also, like and subscribe. We have Muffy D merch at muffyd.com. We also have all the links in the description if you want to franchise. Own your own G exhaust. Sick profit margins. All right, let's crank this up. Yeah.